Japan is home to one of the largest populations of centenarians in the world. But what's truly remarkable isn't just that so many people reach 100 years old, it's how they reach it. Many remain active, independent, walking daily, caring for themselves and living with energy and purpose. That kind of longevity doesn't happen by accident. It's built on daily habits, simple, consistent routines practiced for decades. And one of the most powerful pillars of Japanese longevity is something surprisingly accessible: stretching. In Japan, flexibility isn't treated as optional. It's considered foundational to strength, balance, circulation, and independence. Today, you'll discover 7 stretches commonly practiced across Japan, movements that support mobility, posture, circulation, and long-term resilience. Let's begin. 1. Cobra pose, restoring the spine. Modern life places enormous stress on the lower back. In cities like Tokyo and Osaka, long hours at desks have made back pain increasingly common. The Cobra pose became popular as a response to this postural epidemic. This stretch gently extends the spine, the area most compromised by prolonged sitting. Over time, it strengthens the spinal erector muscles, improves posture, and opens the chest for deeper breathing. How to perform it: lie face down. Place your hands under your shoulders. Press gently into the floor and lift your chest. Keep your hips grounded. Lift only as far as comfortable. The goal is not height, it's controlled extension. Avoid forcing the movement. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Focus on smooth breathing. Practiced for just 30 seconds twice daily, this movement can dramatically reduce lower back stiffness and restore spinal mobility over time. 2. Wall calf stretch, the second heart activation. In Japan, the calf muscles are often called the body's second heart. Why? Because they play a crucial role in pumping blood back toward the heart. As we age, circulation in the lower limbs can decline, increasing the risk of stiffness, swelling, and instability. The wall calf stretch is simple, but extremely effective. How to perform it: stand facing a wall. Place one foot forward and one back. Keep the back leg straight. Press the back heel firmly into the ground. Lean forward gently. Hold for at least 30 seconds per side. The key is keeping the heel down. If the heel lifts, the stretch loses much of its effect. This stretch improves circulation, enhances ankle mobility, and reduces fall risk, one of the greatest threats to independence in older age. 3. Pigeon pose, preserving hip mobility. The hips are central to long-term independence. Sitting for extended periods, whether on chairs or traditional floor seating, can tighten the hip rotators and glutes. The pigeon pose addresses this directly. It deeply stretches the external hip rotators and gluteal muscles, areas that naturally shorten with age. How to perform it: begin on hands and knees. Bring one knee forward toward the same side hand. Extend the other leg back. Lower your hips gently. Keep your chest lifted and spine long. Never force the hip toward the floor. Japanese movement philosophy emphasizes comfortable tension. Stretch without sharp pain. If needed, place a cushion under the hip for support. Hip mobility determines how easily you sit, stand, walk, and maintain balance. Preserving it is one of the smartest long-term investments you can make. 4. Downward-facing dog, full body integration. Efficiency is highly valued in Japanese culture, and this stretch reflects that principle. Downward-facing dog works multiple muscle groups simultaneously: calves, hamstrings, glutes, spine, shoulders, arms, core. How to perform it: start on hands and knees. Lift your hips upward. Form an inverted V shape. Press your heels gently toward the floor. Keep your arms straight and neck relaxed. The goal is length, not forcing your heels down. Avoid rounding the back. Think of creating space from hands to hips. This stretch both strengthens and lengthens the body, a combination considered ideal for maintaining functionality well into advanced age. And remember, breathe deeply. In Japan, breath transforms exercise into nervous system regulation. 5. Cat-cow pose, spine longevity in motion. Japanese geriatric specialists often say, you can estimate age by the flexibility of the spine. The cat-cow sequence improves spinal mobility through controlled flexion and extension. It stimulates circulation of synovial fluid in the joints and strengthens deep stabilizing muscles. critical for balance and fall prevention. How to perform it. Position hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale as you drop your belly and lift your chest, knight or cow. Exhale as you round your spine and tuck your chin, cat. Move slowly and deliberately. This is not a rushed movement. Each repetition should feel conscious, almost meditative. Start with 10 slow repetitions and gradually increase to 20. Spinal health is foundational to aging well. Mobility today protects independence tomorrow. 6. Butterfly pose, the philosophy of flexible strength. In Japanese schools, children learn the butterfly stretch early, establishing hip health as a lifelong habit. As aging progresses, the inner thigh muscles and hip joint often lose flexibility. This can restrict movement and reduce stability. The butterfly pose helps counteract that decline. How to perform it. Sit upright. Bring the soles of your feet together. Allow knees to fall naturally outward. Hold your ankles. Keep your spine tall. Do not press your knees down forcefully. The spine position is more important than how close your knees get to the floor. You should feel a gentle stretch in the inner thighs while maintaining calm breathing. Flexibility in the hips supports walking efficiency, balance, and pelvic circulation, all critical components of longevity. 7. Child's pose, the art of recovery. Perhaps the most underestimated of all, child's pose represents a core principle in Japanese longevity: balance between effort and recovery. How to perform it. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, fold forward, rest your forehead on the ground. Let your arms extend forward or relax beside you. Then do something powerful. Release tension completely. Allow gravity to gently lengthen your spine. Focus on deep diaphragmatic breathing. This posture activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for repair, recovery, and cellular restoration. Begin with 1 minute. Gradually build to 5. Recovery is not weakness, it is strategy. The real secret behind Japanese longevity. You may have noticed something important. None of these stretches are extreme. None require equipment. None demand athletic ability. The power lies in consistency. In Japan, wellness is woven into daily life, not reserved for occasional bursts of motivation. 10 minutes per day, every day, for years. That is what builds resilience. That is what preserves independence. That is what allows many Japanese citizens not only to reach 100, but to reach it strong, mobile, and self-sufficient. Longevity isn't about chasing intensity. It's about respecting the body daily. If you commit to incorporating even a few of these stretches into your routine, you're not just improving flexibility. If you found this valuable, stay with us, because in the next video, we'll explore powerful Japanese isometric practices used to build strength and muscular endurance without heavy weights. Thank you for watching, and remember, flexibility today is freedom tomorrow.